Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make evaporated milk pudding. Evaporated milk pudding is a creamy milk like a heavy cream. It tastes good and go well with all dishes. So yes, let's go into the pudding. First thing, I'm going to turn to medium heat. Then add a tablespoon of butter. Let it melt. Once it melts, add 7 ml of evaporated milk and then add 150 ml of sweet condensed milk. I'm going to give it a stir, just a little. Just make sure the sweet condensed milk doesn't too stick on the bottom of the pot. Then go ahead, add a quarter teaspoon of salt, half cup of sugar. Well, add the sugar for your taste. Then keep stirring the sugar until it dissolves. Then add 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Then use a whisk stir to help to easily dissolve the flour. After that, I change to a spatula to stir. Then you're going to see the milk start to thicken. So constantly stir on medium-low heat. Then you will see it get thicker, then also smooth as well. Okay, before I turn the heat off, I'm going to add a few drops of vanilla extract. Then combine well. Alright, it's good to go. Put it in a glass or any bowl you wish. Well, to make it easy for you, put butter in a piping bag, then squeeze into a glass. That will be better, but mine is broken. Yes, that's why I do like this. Once you finish, let them sit just about 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, once time is up, top with your favorite chocolate. Look at that. It's smooth and still a little warm. You can see some chocolate melting. Alright, thank you for watching my video. I hope you give it a try. My recipe is in description box below. Have a wonderful day. Bye!